ONMD stock analysis and ONMD stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. And with this particular place, you know, and where we are, I'm not a big fan. I know we pumped up like crazy and then we're 9% corrected down. I mean, because I've done 43,000 videos over 5 years, I'm going to stick to the basics, and the discretion is telling me that the likelihood of this delivering lower is still quite high. And I'm not just saying this just to say it. It's like a literal bias of mine. You know, I've seen a lot of pumps and dumps in my career over 5 years. It's all documented tens of thousands of times. And in this particular instance, unless I see like some proper shift above like 70 cents or something, not even looking to take it further up. Actually, quite the opposite. If there's a double break, sell side it is. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on this. This is obviously not me just gonna immediately start selling here or buying. I just need a little more candles to appear, which more time needs to pass. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.